formula of area of a triangle. Okay, using that formula we have to solve exercise 7.3. So the first one is find the area of a triangle. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are number 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 4. Now find the area of triangle. So already previous class, yesterday class I explained area of a triangle formula. So triangle, first of all draw a triangle that will be marked as ABC. The first point is the coordinate of A, and second one is the coordinates of B, and third one is the coordinates of C. Okay, now find out area of triangle. So A is equal to 2, 3, B minus 1, 0, C 2, minus 4. Now this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now area of a triangle is equal to half into x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. Now this is the formula. Okay, in this formula first of all substitute x1, x2, x3, then y1, y2, y3 values. So first x1 value is 2 and x2 value is minus 1 and x3 value is 2. Now substitute y values. Here y2 minus y3. y2 value is 0. Here symbol is minus. y3 value minus 4. Here minus, here minus. Minus into minus plus 4. Now y3 value is minus 4 minus y1 value is 3. Next y1 value is 3 minus y2 value is 0. Now half into 2 of 0 plus 4, 4. Plus into minus, minus 1. Both are negative numbers, same symbols, add both numbers. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. Plus 2 into 3 minus 0, 3. Okay, now multiply these two numbers. 2 4s are 8. Minus into minus plus 1 7s are 7. 2 3s are 6. Now add all these numbers. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. Now remove this dot. Write directly 21 by 2. Now 2 table in 21, 10 2s are 20. Remaining 1 is there. Suppose you will put point means 10. In 10, 2 table 5 times. 10.5 square units. Areas are measured in square units. Okay. Next, second sum. Now second one, minus 5 minus 1, 3 minus 5, 5 2. Now again, first one is the coordinates of A, second one coordinates of B, third one is coordinates of A. Minus 5 minus 1, so this is x1, y1, B is equal to 3 minus 5, so this is x2, y2, and C is equal to 5 2, this is x3, y3. Now area of the triangle is equal to half into x1 of, x2 of, and x3. Okay, these three are x coordinates. Inside brackets x is end with 1. 1 after number 2. So that's why y2 minus 2 after 3. Now same here 2 is here closing. Next y2 after number 3. So only 3 coordinates x1, y1, y2, y3. Okay. Suppose 1, 2, 3 means 1 after 2, 2 after 3, again 3 after 1. So that's why same way here also 3 after 1, y1. Okay. Next third vertex is x3. Inside only y coordinates. Y 3 after number is 1, 1 after number is 2. Like this they have to remind. Okay. So half into, now substitute here values. First of all, x1 value is minus 5 and x2 value is 3 and x3 value is 5. Now y2 minus y3. y2 value minus 5, y3 value is 2. Here y3 value 2, y1 value is here minus, minus into minus plus 1. Next y1 minus y2. y1 value is minus 1, y2 value is minus 5. Minus 1, here symbol minus, here y2 value also minus, minus into minus plus 5. Okay. Now simplify bracket terms. Both are negative numbers. Minus 5 minus 2 minus 7. 2 plus 1 3. 5 minus 1 4. Okay. Now multiply these numbers. Minus into minus plus. 5 sevens are 35. 3 threes are 9. 5 fours are 20. Now add all these numbers. 35 plus 20. 55. 55 plus 9. 62. Okay. Now remove this dot and write directly 64. Half means by 2. 2 table here, 32 times cancel. 32 square units. Finished. Okay. Next same Roman. One more sum is there. Here already I explained 2 sums. One more sum is there. That sum take as homework. Next. Second Roman. Roman number 2. Find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Collinear. The first question is 7 comma minus 2 and 5 comma 1, 3 comma k. Okay. See this question. Find the value of k. So in this vertex, k is the variable. Okay, this is unknown. Now we want to find this k value. But here condition is the given points. Which the points? That means the given points are collinear. In first exercise, I explained collinear. Collinear means the points lying on same line. That means this is the line segment or line. Suppose in this line, 3 points are there. These 3 points lying on same line. So that's why this is the collinear. Okay, these points are called collinear points. But here question also given the points are collinear. That means those 3 points are lying on same axis. Okay, so same line. So that's why these are collinear. Suppose these are on same line, is able to draw a triangle using these vertices. Can't able to draw vertices because of all these are in 3. Suppose by joining these 3 you will get only single line. Not on the line. Suppose that those 3 points lying on say this line, this way means you can draw a triangle. Okay, are you understand? All these points are lying on same line means by joining these 3 points you will get only single line. Suppose if any point in those 3, any point not on the line, that means suppose this is a line, maybe 2 points are on the line, 1 point is not on the line. By joining these 3, you will get a triangle. Okay, but here question is collinear. Collinear means all the points only on the line, not on the line. Okay, so all these are on the line only. Okay, all the points are lying on the line means not able to draw triangle. Only you will get only straight line only. Okay, so that meaning is what? Area of a triangle. First of all, triangle is not possible. Triangle is not possible means area of a triangle becomes Okay, area of a triangle becomes to 0. That means already first Roman I introduced area of a triangle formula, but in that formula is equal to 0 you have to take. By using that formula you have to solve this sum. Okay, why? Because is equal to 0. Here all these 3 points are lying on same line. That means if by using these 3 vertices, the triangle not able to draw. Okay, it is not possible to draw a triangle. So triangle draw cheyalem. So that means area of triangle 0. Okay, so that's why the first point A is equal to 7 comma minus 2. B point is 5 comma 1. C point is 3 comma 3. Now the given points are collinear. So area of the triangle 0. Area of the triangle is equal to 0. Collinear అన్నప్పుడు ఒకే లైన్ మీద వచ్చింది. ట్రయాంగిల్ డ్రా చేయలేకపోతున్నాం. డ్రా చేయలేమంటే ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్ is equal to 0. So already area of the triangle formula introduced now. What is that? Half of x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Okay, before Roman only using this formula, but here collinear mode is there. Collinear is there, so that's why we have to put is equal to 0 also. Okay, now substitute here. This is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y2. Now first of all substitute all x values. x1 value 7, x2 value 5, x3 value 3 is equal to 0. Now substitute y values. Now y2 value is 1, here symbol minus, y3 value is k. Next y3 value k minus, y1 value is here minus plus 2, and y1 value is minus 2, here symbol minus, y2 value is 1. Now half of, now multiply these numbers. Here 1 minus k, 1 is number, 1 is variable, so not able to subtract now, so that's why multiply. 7 ones are 7, 7 into k, 7k. Here also variable and numeral, can't able to add, so multiply. 5 into k, 5k, plus 5 2s are 10, plus 3 into, both are in same symbol, add, minus 2, both are numerals now, add both numbers, minus 3 is equal to 0. Now observe this expression, my equation. Here half is there. Half is in product form. Moves to right side. Fraction moves to right side. Reciprocal. So here left side is 7 minus 7k. Next plus 5k plus 10 plus into minus 3 3s are 9 is equal to 0 into half moves to right side 2 by 1. Now here 7 and 10 and 9. These 3 are numerals. Okay. 7 plus 10, 17. Okay. 17 minus 9, 8. Okay. Next. Here go, these two are like terms. Minus 7k plus 5k. Subtract both. Minus 2k. Big number having minus. So answer also minus. 0 into 2 by 1, 0. Now remove this bracket and write directly 8 minus 2k is equal to 0. Now minus 2k moves to right side plus 2k, 2 moves to left side by 2 is equal to k. 2 taken in 8, 4 times cancel, k value is 4. Now this is the answer. Okay. K comma k, 2 comma 3 and 4 comma minus 1. Middle one more sum is there, second sum. That sum take as homework, second sum. So A value k comma k and B 2 comma 3 and C 4 comma minus 1. This is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Here also the given points are collinear. Given points are collinear. So area of a triangle is 0. So half of x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Now substitute here values. X1 value is k and x2 value is 2 and x3 value is 4. Now substitute y values. y2 value is 3 minus y3 value minus 1. Here minus and formula minus. Minus into minus plus 1. Next y3 value is minus 1. Here minus. Y1 value is k. Next y1 value k. Y2 value 3. So half of k into both are numerals. Add these two numbers. 3 plus 1 4. Now this is 1 is numeral and 1 is variable. Can't able to add now, multiply. Plus into minus, minus. 2 ones are 2. Again plus into minus, minus. 2 into k, 2k. Plus same variable and numeral. Same multiply. 4 into k, 4k. 4 threes are 12. Is equal to 0. Okay. Now 4 into k, 4k. Remaining all as this right one. 2k plus 4k minus 12 is equal to this half moves to right side, reciprocal 0 into 2 by 1. Okay. Next. So here 4k. So see this equation 4k, 2k, 4k. So both these three are like terms. 4 plus 4 8. 8 minus 2 6. 6k. Numerals minus 2 minus 12 both are in same symbol. Add 14 is equal to 0 into 2 by 1 0. Now remove this red and write directly is equal to 0. Now minus 14 moves to right side plus 14. K is equal to 14 by 6. 2 tables 7 times 3 times. K value is 7 by 3. Now this is the answer. Okay. In first Roman I left one sum and second Roman also I left one sum. So those two sums take as homework.